Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. We are in touch with you, Guru Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will consider each indicator in more detail. If you want, you can pause the video. You can look at all the parameters of the organization in question in more detail. Now we will look at the current fundamental indicators of the company. NEWMONT Corp, ticker NEM. This review was created using current data as of June 29, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets Corporation, NEWMONT Corp belongs to the subcategory Metal Drag. 68 companies are participating in the assessment. Look for solutions on orders at the end of this video. The overall score for the company in question is 7.5 out of 10. The average score for the subcategory is 3.3 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire US market in general. Note that the average rating for the market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a score of 7.5 points for NEWMONT Corp. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price NEWMONT and subcategory companies. We see that over the last 12 months, the shares NEWMONT Corp showed a change of 35.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 56.6%. Market capitalization of a corporation NEWMONT Corp amounts to $63.19 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $401 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $31.25 billion. With a book capitalization of $166 billion, the subcategory is worth $166 billion. Having compared the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Occupied share NEWMONT in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 15.753%. The book value is 18.841%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's financial liabilities amount to $8.128 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 26% of the company's equity. The company's debt level assessment, good, 1 point. The company's market value to profit ratio is 12.5. With an average for the subcategory of 25.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $5,070 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $5,238 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 3.2. The average in the subcategory is 3.9. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $19.51 billion. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $20.14 billion. Assessment of the expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 26%, with an average in the subcategory of 15.6%. Marginality assessment compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of personnel numbers by subcategory is 17.671%. This is 12% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $1,483,000. And in the subcategory, there are $1,664,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee is $119,000. Average in the subcategory, $66,300. Evaluation of profit per individual employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $458,000. Subcategory, $426,000. Revenue per employee compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 2.2%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 1.9%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 54% for the company NEWMONT Corp. While for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 47%. The company's current share price is around $56.75. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $66.03. Let's look at the order table. It is available. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's assessment NEWMONT Information and Reference System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy order at $56.76. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation. The organization's assessment is based on the assessment approach, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 69.9. Stop loss is set at 43.62. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically based on the results of trading on July 29, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker NG will be a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system, Guru.Markets.